Hello guys, so today new word is conscientious. C-O-N-C-I-E-N-T-I-O-U-S. Conscientious. Conscientious means wishing to do one's work or duty well and truly. Wishing to do one's work or duty well and truly. Let's have a look at a few synonyms here. There are diligent, industrious, punctilious, painstaking, assiduous, So let's have a look at a few antonyms here. There are cutthroat, dishonest, dishonorable, unethical, and unprincipled. Let's have a look at a few examples here. Number 1. A conscientious man who took his duty very seriously. A conscientious man who took his duty very seriously. Number 2. We are generally very conscientious about our work. We are generally very conscientious about our work. Number 3. He was true and conscientious rather than brilliant. He was true and conscientious rather than brilliant. Number 4. His previous employer described him as honest, hardworking, and conscientious. His previous employer described him as honest, hardworking, and conscientious. A conscientious teacher may feel inclined to take work home. A conscientious teacher may feel inclined to take